Looking for a powerful VPN with its own fast servers, support for multiple protocols, and secure unlimited browsing? Today, I'll show you how to download, install, and use LOF UDP VPN, a game-changing tool for online privacy and freedom. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, or any other. In the search bar at the top, type SSL tunnel and press enter. This will show you several search results. From the list of results, look for the official SSL tunnel site. It usually appears at the top or has a clean, professional layout. Tap on it to access the homepage. Once you're on the homepage, find the menu icon, usually shown as 3 horizontal lines or a hamburger icon in the top right corner. Tap it. A menu will slide out. From the list, tap on Free VPN to go to the section where VPN apps are available. On the Free VPN page, scroll until you see LOF UDP VPN. Tap on its name or icon to open the download page. Make sure you're selecting the right VPN. Tap the Install button. Your device will begin downloading the app. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a few seconds or minutes. Once downloaded, installation will begin automatically. Wait until it's fully installed. Once the installation is complete, you'll see 2 buttons, Uninstall and Open. Tap on Open to launch the LOF UDP VPN app for the first time. After launching, you might see a pop-up asking for notification access. It's completely optional. Tap Allow if you want connection alerts, or Cancel to skip. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on. The VPN app will now fetch server updates. It might restart or refresh automatically. Wait a few seconds while it updates the available servers. You'll now be on the LOF UDP VPN home screen. The layout has 2 main sections, one for selecting a server and another for choosing a protocol. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. To choose a server, tap on the Server section. A list of country-based or region-based servers will appear. Tap on any server based on your location or preferences. Next, tap on the Tweaks button. This section contains a variety of built-in tweaks and protocols. Scroll through them and tap on one that suits your needs. These protocols define how the VPN will handle your internet connection. After choosing your desired method, either from Tweaks or Custom, go back to the home screen. Tap the large Start button in the center. The VPN will begin connecting. It usually takes just a few seconds. Want to use this VPN on another phone or even a PC? Tap the menu icon again. Select Tethering and turn on the toggle switch. This lets you share the connected VPN to other devices. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy private, fast, and secure internet with LOF UDP VPN. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share with friends, and hit the subscribe button for more tech tutorials every week.